Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khadijah binti Fairuz.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Alian Anis binti Nurzali.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Fatin Fatihah binti Muhammad Razwan.
And my name is Nur Nazifa Elisa binti Abdulhamid.
For this project, we have been assigned to create an environment of new situation of movement control order. So there will be a town that did not seem as busy as usual with crowded people, and there will be police officers, soldiers to take care of the situation of MCO, such as setting up the roadblocks to make sure that all the people obey with the instruction of MCO, and there will be people that wearing masks to show that they obey with the MCO instruction and did not came to a crowded place such as playground and many more. So this project will be conducted by using Unity, and the model will be explained in the next section.
For the basic shape, I use 4 boxes for the house body, door and windows. The box is adjusted to the shape of a hook. The roof is created by connecting the edge at the top part of the box. Connect and chamfer are applied to the box to create spaces for door and windows. Other boxes are used to create the windows and door to fit into the spaces. The model is finalized by applying shell modifier and colors.
For this model, I'm using the combination of boxes to create the building, the windows of the building, and also the bottom part of the building. So first, to create the building, adjust, extrude, and also scaling the box to create a body of the building and to get this better size. Next, I apply insert and extrude to create a windows of the building and get the better shape. And lastly, I extrude the bottom part of the building to finalize the model.
Road model. I designed this road model in 3ds Max. It is basically made from 3 boxes. I applied the editable poly and shell method to create a better shape of the road. Then I take an image of road texture to be applied to the model as texture. Lastly, I applied the UVW map to improve the image texture of the model.
For the basic shape of the car, I use the combination of box and spheres. Firstly, we have to apply an editable poly, extrude, and chamfer to edit and resize the box to make it look like a car body. Material of the window will be different from the car body, and we finalize the car by adding 4 shapes of spheres to make it into a wheel.
People model. I designed the characters model in Blender. I create from the basic shape of cube. Then I apply the mirror modifier. I use scaling, rotation, extrude, and move method to adjust the shape of box according to the desired shape of body. Then I end it with smooth and shaded smooth. As for creating different characters like man, woman, police, and soldiers, I only extrude their body, their leg, and their head to create other components of body like shirt, trousers, cap, and many more.
For the basic shape of this model is by using boxes. Firstly, we have to apply the editable poly to resize and edit all the vertex and edges. Then, we will extrude to create a holder and detach it to make it into 2 different objects. Apply an image in the board and finalize the modeling by adding material to the holder.
For the basic shape of the shop, I use a box. From there, I use a chamfer to shape one edge from the box for the front door. Signboards for the shop are created by using another box and resize it to make it look like signboard. Extruder is being used to make the walls stand out from the flat surface of the box. Lastly, colors and textures are applied to the signboards, pavement, walls, windows and doors to make it more realistic.
For the basic shape of the cone, I use the combination of cone and cube. Firstly, we have to readjust the shape of the cone to make it into the shape of the safety cone. After that, readjust the shape of the cube before positioning it at the bottom of the cone and implementing the chamfer to edges in order to gain a better shape. Lastly, apply two different of material color for the top, and the color for the bottom cone is choose to match the top part.
I create terrain in Unity. I raise it a bit so it won't be a plain ground. I apply two materials, which is grass and soil. Then I combine all the objects together and adjust or repair any terrains that interrupts the model. Lastly, I apply suitable materials in an environment. First-person controller. In this project, we are using the character controller to enable the movement of character. We create a cylinder with camera attached to it to represent the character. There are two scripts, which is mouselook.cs and playermovement.cs. Mouselook.cs enable the character to turn right, left, upside and down, while for the playermovement.cs, it enables the character to move right, left, forward and backward. This video shows the fast version of camera view and game scene during the movement.
Public place has been signed as a restricted area during MCO. So in this playground, we put the signboard which contain later no socializing in this area. There also exist police officers that set up a roadblock at the main road to the city. The soldiers also doing their job by preventing all the people to entering the quarantine area. And lastly, we can see that all the model of people in this environment are wearing masks, show that they obey with the instruction of the MCO.